Hi friends, welcome to Double Revenue channel. Please subscribe to this Double Revenue channel because we are going to see more short videos. This video is about FX Calendar. I am giving a review about this app. This is a free app rated 4.7 stars. This app could provide you market news in upfront. I am installing this app. I am opening it. It will open like this. It will show the basic tutorial in front. It will ask for give you notification. The page will open like this. On top left corner you can see settings. You can see countries and impact. Impact will be like low, medium and high. Countries, you can select whatever is related to your currency. When you click top right corner, you can see articles related to the market news. The latest market news will be in top. Now I'm looking for high impact news. I have selected June 11. I'm looking for a high impact news. Okay, I got a high impact news. I'm setting reminder by sliding it to right. Then I'm clicking center. It will show the market news. I'm scrolling up now. I'm looking for it's a very important market news. I'm setting a reminder for that. It's US North Korea summit. Already the Korean president is in Singapore. Okay, one more market news is there, high impact market news. I'm setting reminder for that. Whenever you set a reminder, you can see a blue mark with a bell symbol. Likewise, we can do for all the high impact news for all 30 days. So you can receive the alerts upfront before the market news. Also, you can do that day by day check also. This is a very easy to use app. I suggest you to use this FX Calendar. Have a practice that checking this app before entering a trade. You can do one more practice also. Consider that you have entered a trade without checking this app, but you realize that you didn't check this app after entered the trade. And if you come to see that there is a immediate high impact market news, then you can analyze that market news, and if it is going to be favor your trade, you can continue the trade, or else you can close the trade as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for this Double Revenue channel. We have this channel both in YouTube as well as in Dailymotion. Thank you for watching.